Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, I am Emma, your pronunciation teacher. Welcome to a short English pronunciation practice.
Hi, Emma. I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and improve my English sounds.
Great energy, Nexo. Today we will practice the OR sound with clear words and short phrases.
Nice. I will say each word carefully.
First, let me show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. Part 1 is words. We listen to one word, look at the sound, and repeat it clearly. Part 2 is phrases. We listen to short sentences and notice the same sound in real English. Remember, small sounds can make a big difference in pronunciation.
I am focused. My ears are ready, and my voice is ready too.
Excellent. Let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Corn. Corn. Fork. Fork. Horse. Horse. Door. Door. Store. Store. Shore. Shore. Storm. Storm. Horn. Horn. Shorts. Shorts. Porch. Porch. Sword. Sword. Cord. Cord. Board. Board. Floor. Floor. Cork. Cork. Torch. Torch. Fort. Fort. Port. Port. Phrases.
Good work. You completed the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
Great. I want to hear the sound inside real phrases now.
Exactly. The goal of phrases is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Corn. Corn. The corn is yellow. The corn is yellow. Fork. Fork. The fork is on the plate. The fork is on the plate. Horse. Horse. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast. Door. Door. Close the door.
Close the door.
Store. Store. The store is open. The store is open. Shore. Shore. The shore is sandy. The shore is sandy. Storm. Storm. A storm is coming. A storm is coming. Horn. Horn. The horn is loud. The horn is loud. Shorts. Shorts. My shorts are blue. My shorts are blue. Porch. Porch. The porch is clean. The porch is clean. Sword. Sword. The sword is shiny. The sword is shiny. Cord. Cord. The cord is long. The cord is long. Board. Board. The board is white. The board is white. Floor. Floor. The floor is wet. The floor is wet. Cork. Cork. The cork floats. The cork floats. Torch. Torch. The torch is bright. The torch is bright. Fort. Fort. The fort is strong. The fort is strong. Port. Port. The port is busy. The port is busy.
Good job. You finished the class, and Nexo did great pronunciation practice too.
Yes, I feel stronger with the OR sound. I am ready for more practice next time.
Wonderful. Keep listening and repeating. See you in the next class.